This guy strapped a real jet engine to a tiny pickup truck, but the moment they fired it up, something went seriously wrong. Let me explain. Whistlin' Diesel is known for destroying cars in the craziest ways possible, but this time, his victim was a Japanese mini truck. The team reinforced the bed with steel, mounted the engine, then they fired it up. At first, everything seemed fine, but then fuel started leaking everywhere. But somehow the truck didn't blow. Then Cody fired it up again, this time out on the road. The mini truck started moving slow at first, then it picked up speed. By the end of the runway, it was doing 71 miles per hour, with flames and smoke blasting behind it. But right as they started celebrating, they heard sirens. Someone had already called the fire department. The firefighters checked it out, made sure nothing was on fire, and politely asked them not to pull this off again.